Right, this is version 2. The only difference is these pieces I've stretched along here, so it doesn't rock about as much. It still rocks about, but before it could go quite a way, whereas that way it's pretty stable. And I could put foam or something in the gap to make it even more rigid. I'm quite happy with that. I was thinking of all sorts of complicated ways of doing it, and that's actually quite simple. Yeah. I just realised I forgot to mention the thumb screw, whatever you want to call it, and the bolt and the nut. Those all come from the fittings that come with my action cameras. I've got quite a few of these, but I think it's probably I don't know, 5 or 6 millimeter threaded bolt, something like that. But as it comes with the action camera, I just happen to have quite a few of them spare. And that's what I've based this design on. I could fit the action camera bracket straight on there if I wanted to use an action camera instead of the phone. Right, looking in my box of action camera bits, that one gives you the general idea that I've based it on. I've beefed it up a little bit because PLA isn't very strong. And then there's another one. That's my underwater action camera tripod with the weights on it. I sling it into the sea or river or lake, so it sits on the bottom and films the fishes if there's any fishes about. But yeah, that's, I think you can probably see the similarity there. So I could fit that action camera waterproof case on there if I wanted. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.